Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to create the view model for our Clima app. So let's get started. We are going to call it weather view model. We are going to conform the observable object protocol, and we are going to use a published property wrapper, call it weather object, and we are going to make this optional of type weather model. And we are going to create a function called fetch weather, passing the name of the city or country. And here only we are going to use our network manager .share.fetch weather and pass the city. And the complete, we are going to use weak self to avoid routine cycles. And we are going to use this result. First, we are going to wrap this self. And we are going to use dispatch queue to handle in the main queue this operation. Switch this result. In case of success, we are going to create this weather and pass our weather object this weather. In case of failure, we need an error, and for now we are going to print only the error, but if you want you can handle errors pasting this error using a published variable of string or whatever you want. Only we are going to print this error dot localizing description, and that's it for our view model. Let's create the interface of our application. Well, first we need to use a navigation stack. And we are going to create this beautiful interface. So we need first make an instance of our view model using the observed object property wrapper view model, an instance of weather view model. Also we need to use the name of the city of type string. Now we are going to create a C stack, also B stack inside, and we can use 25 points of spacing. Also we need an H stack using also 20 points of spacing, and here is the most important thing. We are going to unwrap the properties of our weather object of our view model. First, we need the icon URL equals view model dot weather object dot weather in first position dot icon. If this exists, we are going to use our weather remote image and pass this custom URL. This URL allows to download this icon. We are going to add some frame with 220 height 120, sorry. Also we need a shadow. We are going to do the same thing with the temp using our view model dot weather object dot main dot temp, and also we need to create an H tag using two tests. One of them is we are going to use a string format using 1 decimal point .1f and temp. Also we need another text to allow to show the user the units, in this case degrees, Celsius degrees. Finally, we are going to create or add the font modifier, system size 60, foreground color white, font weight semi-bold. Okay, I think this is all. For the first H tag, we need also the description of the weather, and finally the percentage of the humidity. So we are going to do this very quickly. Equals view model dot weather object dot main dot humidity. I'm going to copy and paste to do this video faster. And finally we need before the humidity we need the description, but before of humidity I'm going to add an spacer, and here I'm going to do the same way. If let city equals view model dot weather object dot name, and let description equals view model dot weather object dot weather 0 position dot description, and we can add string interpolation using one text and using both of them. this is of B stack, and we are going to add a frame modifier. Also, we need to add on appear modifier and searchable also. So we are going to add searchable, and here we need the city, and we can use a custom prompt, search city or country. We are going to use on change modifier, on change of city. We need the new city and use, but first we are going to check if city is different of empty string and city dot count we can use our view model fetch weather, passing the new city, and we can use replacing occurrences to replace the blank space with %20. Finally, we are going to add some padding, top 30, padding horizontal. We need also navigation bar title, and the most important thing, to show our interface with beautiful colors, we need to add background modifier, and we are going to use a linear gradient. With colors blue and white, and change this top bottom. And there is the interface. Finally, we are going to test if this works correctly. Let's build in our simulator and search, for example, Mexico. And there is the app working correctly. In the next video, I'm going to explain how to use core location to allow the user search the weather in specific location. So see you in the next video.